Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have my husband Johnny helping me videotape. So I am here today for a guest design team for Crafter's Castle and Janie. So here is her information. So let's go over this for 2 seconds before I show you my project. Janie is Crafter's Castle, and that's her blog name, and on YouTube she is JJGZ Forever. And so hi Janie, thank you. So each month she has a different vendor company, and they sponsor us. So this month we have, let's do the information, Create for Less, and all the links will be down below, the links to the projects I'm showing, and the blog and the companies and all that. So 2 weeks ago I showed the wall organizer, and I'll show that again, and it was $7.29. But today I'm going to show you the Caddy. And plus, Create for Less is doing something amazing. They are giving $100 gift certificate to one of the winners of Crafter's Castle blog. She does a challenge each month, like I do in Glue Gun Chronicles, and this month it's doing embellishments, but then she said anything goes. So if you post something, making a card or something, but just go check out her blog and it's all there, you could win $100 worth of supplies. And this company doesn't sell just what I show you. It is a full-blown craft store. I mean, they have stuff in there from We Are Memory Keepers that I just spent $28, and I just saw it for $17.99. That blooming, it's a blooming brand new rose that opens up and you put all your bling in it. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. But anyway, y'all will see it. So let me show you what I made. Here it is. So this is what it looked like in the package, and it is 6 inches by 8 inches, 6 inches wide by 8 inches high. And then I painted it, and let's just show. So I painted it pink from spray paint from Lowe's, and then I laced it up with layers of lace and trim, and then I wanted the roses to match my other project. So here it is. You know, and I'm thinking when I'm putting this together, this could be a basket for Easter. It could have been a basket for a wedding for the flower girls. It could be a keepsake caddy. It doesn't have to be just a caddy for tools. There's so much, you know, shabby chic. You know, we could put beautiful roses coming out of this, artificial flowers. You could do so much with this. So it is so pretty. I just love this project. It was really easy. It literally took me, oh, I don't know, 60, 90 seconds to put it together, and then to put the trim on it with Charlie, my hot glue gun. I mean, Johnny ran 2 miles to the post office. When he got back, I was done decorating this. Right, John? So now, while I got you, let me show you the other project that I did, and I wanted them to coordinate, and isn't that pink just so yummy? So there's the other one. And here is what the package looked like and what it looked like before I painted it. And it is big. It is 11.5 wide by 15.5 inches high. It is gorgeous. So can you see how I have them coordinating the flowers? Because I wanted them to coordinate and everything. And I just can't wait to put this in my new studio when we have the house built. And oh, I just love it. I am just thrilled that Janie is introducing us to companies that I didn't know were out there. So you know what, they have such good prices, and you know me, guys, you know me, I'm all about saving a dollar. So they're one of my new favorite places. And yeah, so there's my project share. All the links will be down below. I hope you like it, and have a blessed day. Bye everybody.